At the end of Galaxy Unpacked in San Jose for the Galaxy S24 series launch, Samsung dropped a very brief teaser of their upcoming wearable, the Galaxy Ring. And here at MWC 2024, I actually managed to get hands-on with it. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here are my initial early thoughts on the Galaxy Ring in Barcelona for MWC 2024. Yes, you heard me correctly. I had a chance to see, hold, and very briefly wear the Galaxy Ring here at MWC 2024. Now, when I say brief, I mean very brief because there was a restriction as we were not allowed to take any pictures and videos of the Galaxy Ring as a standalone piece or even wearing it. And the hands-on was legit under a minute. But even with the very little that was given to us, I'm super excited for this product, and here are my initial thoughts. First of what was shown of the prototype models of the Galaxy Ring were three colors in silver, gold, and black. What's more interesting about the design of the Galaxy Ring is that outer ring follows a more in-curve design compared to the more out-curve design from other smart rings we've seen. Whether this ends up being the final design is yet to be determined, but for now this adds what I feel is a nicer, more compact, subtle, yet stylish design that fits the look of a traditional low-profile high-end ring. I leaned more towards the black and silver color, but honestly all three colors shown were very good. What actually impressed me the most was Samsung's showcase of 10 different sizes of the ring in our closed briefed hands-on, meaning they are not necessarily taking the easier route of a one-size-fits-all approach to what feels more like a tailored, bespoke handling experience for the end user. We did ask what the process of fitting would be come the final release when it comes to the right size for customers' hands, and they are considering this to be a more tailored process, but again, this is still to be confirmed, but very promising so far with what we've seen. I only had a chance to very quickly fit the Galaxy Ring on my left index finger, and the fit was comfortable enough, but again, without having to wear it the whole day and experiencing it fully, I have to take it at face value, especially considering this is an early prototype. Everything else though about the Galaxy Ring is just a major guessing game, from features like NFC support for payments, the sensors being used, and what will be tracked in terms of health monitoring parameters that will be feeding into the Samsung Health application, IP rating strength against the elements, build quality and materials, gesture controls for things like cameras and other apps, and most importantly, pricing and availability. We pressed and asked for answers, and all that was mentioned was a H2 release window for 2024. Let's hope Samsung pulls this off, because this product from Samsung is something that I didn't know I needed or wanted until experiencing it very briefly right now. Are you equally as excited for the Galaxy Ring as we are? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.